1. Hook your C/CD pipeline as your lifeline, but it's also where startups go to die. Want to know why most fail? Stay tuned to discover the hidden traps that could derail your pipeline and how to avoid them. A C/CD pipeline should accelerate your releases, not slow them down. If your team isn't careful, you'll find yourself spending more time debugging than delivering features. Let's break this down. 3. The simple explanation at its core, a C/CD pipeline automates the processes of building, testing, and deploying software. It's designed to minimize the manual work involved and to catch issues early. But just setting up a pipeline isn't enough. You need to ensure it's robust, efficient, and tailored to your team's specific needs. When these factors are ignored, the pipeline can quickly become a source of frustration. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world incident from a startup called TechStart. They were excited about launching their new app. They set up a C/CD pipeline using Jenkins, but they overlooked a crucial factor: their testing environment. Initially, they had a small team of 5 developers. They relied on a shared testing server. This server was often overloaded, causing timeouts and failures. During a critical deployment, they faced a 30-minute delay because their tests took too long to run. In the end, TechStart missed their launch window by 2 weeks. The delay cost them an estimated $50,000 in lost revenue and damaged their reputation. If they had optimized their testing strategy, they could have avoided this setback. 5. What to do instead? Now, let's outline a step-by-step framework to ensure your C/CD pipeline thrives. Step 1. Assess your current pipeline. Document existing processes. Identify bottlenecks and pain points. Gather feedback from your team. Step 2. Optimize your testing strategy. Use dedicated testing environments. Implement parallel testing to speed up feedback loops. Aim for a maximum test duration of 10 minutes. If tests take longer, consider breaking them down. Step 3. Automate everything. Automate builds, tests, and deployments. Use tools like GitHub Actions or CircleC. Ensure automated tests run with every commit to catch issues early. Step 4. Monitor and iterate. Use monitoring tools like Prometheus or Grafana. Analyze pipeline performance metrics weekly. Set a goal for reducing deployment time by 20% each month. Step 5. Foster a collaborative culture. Encourage open communication about failures. Hold regular retrospectives to discuss pipeline performance. Ensure every team member understands the C/CD process. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Lack of proper testing. Many teams skip comprehensive testing. This leads to bugs slipping into production. Fix. Implement unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. Aim for at least 80% code coverage. Mistake 2. Ignoring pipeline performance. Teams often neglect the speed of their pipeline. Long wait times frustrate developers. Fix. Regularly review pipeline performance metrics. Aim for a total pipeline execution time of under 30 minutes. Mistake 3. Overcomplicating the pipeline. Adding too many steps can create confusion and failure points. Fix. Simplify your pipeline. Keep only essential steps and automate as much as possible. Mistake 4. Not using version control. Some teams don't use version control for their infrastructure. This creates chaos. Fix. Use tools like Terraform or Ansible for infrastructure as code. Track changes in a version control system. Mistake 5. Failing to roll back when things go wrong. Teams often panic and don't have a rollback strategy. Fix. Always have a rollback plan. Use feature flags to enable and disable features quickly. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to ensure your C/CD pipeline is set up for success. Document all processes. Optimize your testing environment. Automate builds, tests, and deployments. Monitor performance metrics. Foster a collaborative culture. 8. Summary plus CTA and summary. Your C/CD pipeline can either make or break your development process. Avoid common mistakes and follow the framework we discussed. Remember, a well-optimized pipeline will save you time, money, and headaches. What challenges have you faced with your C/CD pipeline? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.